Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve questions 1 to 6 of exercise 5B, chapter 5. Chapter name is fractions of class 6 of composite mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve exercise 5B, questions 1 to 6, and topics are comparing like fractions, comparing unlike fractions, comparing unlike fraction with same numerators, comparing unlike fractions with different denominators, and finding fractions of a quantitative quantity. Finding fraction of a quantity. Let's solve some questions. Now we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 is arrange the following sets of fractions in ascending orders. First bit is 4 divided by 13, 10 divided by 13, 9 divided by 13 and 7 divided by 13. We have to arrange these fractions in increasing order. We know when the comparing the fraction having same denominators, that is the like fraction. Just look at the numerator, and smaller the numerator of the fraction is always less than the bigger the numerator of the fraction. So here all are like fraction. So here numerator 4 is less than 7, is less than 9, is less than 10. So 4 by 13 is less than 7 by 13, is less than 9 by 13, is less than 10 by 13. So arranging the like fraction in ascending order, that is the increasing orders, is 4 by 13, 7 by 13, 9 by 13 and 10 by 13. Now we will solve question number second bit. 5 divided by 6, 4 divided by 9, 1 divided by 4. These are the unlike fractions having different denominators and different numerators. We have to arrange this fraction in ascending order. These are the unlike fractions. So when we compare the unlike fraction having the different numerators and denominators, we have to first convert this unlike fraction into equivalent fraction, equating the equal denominators by multiplying the same number with numerator and denominator. So first we have to find out the LCM of the denominators 6, 9, 4. So prime factorization of 6 is 2 multiplied by 3. Prime factorization of 9 is 3 multiplied with 3. Prime factorization of 4 is 2 multiplied with 2. And LCM of 6, 9 and 4 is 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 2. Multiplied with 2. Here 2 3s and 2 2s. So we have to multiply 2 multiplied with 2, 3 multiplied with 3. So this is equal to 36. So LCM of 6, 9, 4 is 36. Now we have to equating the equal denominators of these unlike fraction by multiplying the same number in both numerator and denominator. So first 5 divided by 6. Converting this 5 divided by 6 into equivalent fraction, that is the equating the LCM, that is 36. We have to multiply the denominator 6 with 6. We know 6 multiplied with 6 is 36, that is equal to the LCM of the denominators. So multiplying 6 with 6 we get 36. So we have to multiply the same number 6 with numerator also. So multiplying 5, the numerator 5 with 6 we get 30, and denominator 6 with 6 we get 36. So 5 by 6 equal to 30 by 36. So 30 by 36 is the equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 6. 4 divided by 9. We have to multiply 9 with 4 we get 36, that is equal to the LCM of the denominator. So we have to multiply the denominators with 4 and numerator 4 with 4. Numerator 4 with 4 we get 16 and denominator 9 with 4 we get 36. So we get 4 divided by 9 equal to 16 divided by 36, and 4 divided by 9 and 16 divided by 36 are both equivalent fraction. Now we have to convert 1 divided by 4 into equivalent fraction, that is equating the LCM, that is 36. Denominator, we know then 4 multiplied, denominator 4 multiplied with 9 is 36. So we have to multiply the same number 9 with numerator and denominator. So multiplying numerator 1 with 9 we get 9, and multiplying 4 denominator 4 with 9 we get 36. So we get 1 divided by 4 equal to 9 divided by 36, and 1 divided by 4 and 9 divided by 36 are equivalent fraction. Now we get the fractions, all are like fractions having the denominator 36. All have denominators 36. So now we have to arrange this fraction in ascending order. These are the like fraction. So in like fraction we have to just look at the numerator, that is here 9 is less than 16 is less than 30. So 9 divided by 36 less than 16 divided by 36 is less than 30 divided by 36. So ascending order of the fractions are 9 divided by 36 is equivalent to 1 divided by 4. So 1 divided by 4. Then 16 divided by 36 is equivalent to 4 divided by 9. So 4 divided by 9. Write down 4 divided by 9. Then 30 by 36 is equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 6. So ascending orders of the fraction are 1 divided by 4, 4 divided by 9 and 5 divided by 6. Now we have to solve question number third bit. 5 divided by 6, 3 divided by 8, 7 divided by 16 and 11 divided by 24. These are all unlike fraction having the different numerators and denominators. So first we have to convert this fraction, unlike fraction, into equivalent fraction, multiplying the same number with both numerator and denominator. So first we have to find out the LCM of the denominator 6, 8, 16, 24. So first find out the prime factorization of the denominators, that is 6. 6 is 2 multiplied with 3, 8 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, 16 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, and 24 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3. These are the prime factorization of denominators. So LCM of 6, 8, 16 and 24 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3. There are 4 2's and 3 1 3's. So we have to multiply these 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3, we get 48. 16 multiplied with 3 is 48. So LCM of 6, 8, 16 and 24 is 48. Now we have to convert this unlike fraction into equivalent fraction. 5 divided by 6 equating the denominator, that is equating the LCM 48. We know 6 denominator 6 multiplied with 8 is 48. So we have to multiply the same number 8 with numerator and denominator both. So numerator 5 multiplied with 8 is 40, and denominator 6 multiplied with 8 is 48. So 5 divided by 6 equal to 40 divided by 48. 5 divided by 6 and 40 divided by 48 are equivalent fractions. Now we have to convert 3 divided by 8 into equivalent fraction, equating the denominator equating to the LCM. That is, denominator 8 multiplied with 6 is 48. So we have to multiply the same number 6 with both numerator and denominator. So multiply numerator 3 with 6, we get 18, and multiply denominator 8 with 6, we get 48. So 3 divided by 8 and 18 divided by 48 both are equivalent fractions. Now we have to convert 7 divided by 16 into equivalent fraction. Just multiplying the denominator 16 with 3, we get 48. So we have to multiply the same number 3 with both numerator and denominator. Multiplying the numerator 7 with 3, we get 21, and multiply the denominator 16 with 3, we get 48. So 7 divided by 16 and 21 divided by 48 both are equivalent fraction. Now we have to convert the fraction 11 divided by 24 into equivalent fraction. Just multiply the denominator 24 with 2, we get 48 equal, that is the equal to the LCM. So we have to multiply the denominator, multiply the same number 2 with both numerator and denominator. So multiply the numerator 11 with 2, we get 22, and multiply the denominator 24 with 2, we get 48. So 11 divided by 24 equal to 22 divided by 48. 11 divided by 24 and 22 divided by 48 are equivalent fractions. Now we have to arrange this fraction in ascending order, that is the increasing order. All are like fractions, so when we compare the like fraction, just look at the numerator. Here 18 is less than 21, is less than 22, is less than 40. So 18 divided by 48 is less than 21 divided by 48 is less than 22 divided by 48 is less than 40 divided by 48. And 18 divided by 48 is the equivalent fraction of 3 divided by 8. So we have to write 3 divided by 8. And 21 divided by 48 is the equivalent fraction of 7 divided by 16. So we have to write 7 divided by 16. And 22 divided by 48 is the equivalent fraction of 11 divided by 24. So we have to write down 11 divided by 24. And 40 divided by 48 is the equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 6. So we have to write 5 divided by 6. So ascending order or increasing order of the fraction are 3 divided by 8, 7 divided by 16, 11 divided by 24, and 5 divided by 6. Now we solve question number 4th bit. 4th bit is 3 divided by 5, 7 divided by 15, 9 divided by 20, and 3 divided by 10. These all are unlike fraction having the different numerators and different denominators. So first we have to convert these unlike fraction into equivalent fraction. So first find out the LCM of these denominators. So first find out the prime factorization of these denominators. 5 is the prime factorization of 5 is 5. Prime factorization of 15 is 3 multiplied with 5. And prime factorization of 20 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 5. Prime factorization of 10 is 2 multiplied with 5. Now LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 20 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 5. 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 5 is 20. 20 multiplied with 3 is 60. So LCM of 5, 10, 15, 20 is 60. Now we have to convert this fraction 3 divided by 5 into equivalent fraction, just equating the denominator 5 equal to the LCM, that is equal to 60. We know 5 multiplied with 12 is 60. So we have to multiply the number 12 with both numerator and denominator. So multiply numerator 3 with 12, we get 36, and multiply 5 with 12, we get 60. So 3 divided by 5 equal to 36 divided by 60, and 3 divided by 5 and 36 divided by 60 are equivalent fractions. Now we have to convert 7 divided by 15 into equivalent fraction, just equating the denominator 15 to 60, that is equal to the LCM. So we know 15 multiplied with 4 is 60. So we have to multiply the number 4 with both numerator and denominator, that is multiply 7, numerator 7 with 4 we get 28, and multiply denominator 15 with 4 we get 60. So 7 divided by 15 equal to 28 divided by 60. So 7 divided by 15 and 28 divided by 60 are equivalent fractions. Now we have to convert 9 divided by 20 into equivalent fraction, just equating to the denominator to LCM 60. That is, we know multiply 20 with 3 we get 60. So multiply the number 3 with both numerator and denominator. Multiply numerator 9 with 3 we get 27, and multiply denominator 20 with 3 we get 60. So 9 divided by 20 equal to 27 divided by 60. 9 divided by 20 and 27 divided by 60 are equivalent fractions. Now we have to convert 3 divided by 10 into equivalent fraction. Just multiply the denominator 10 with 6 we get 60, that is equal to the LCM. So we have to multiply the number 6 with both numerator and denominator. So multiply 3, numerator 3 with 6 we get 18, and multiply denominator 10 with 6 we get 60. So 3 divided by 10 equal to 18 divided by 60. 3 divided by 10 and 18 divided by 60 are equivalent fractions. Now we get all are like fractions having the denominator equal, that is 60. When we compare the like fraction, we have to just look at the numerator, and here 18 is less than 27, is less than 28, is less than 36. So ascending order or increasing order of the fractions are 18 divided by 30, 18 divided by 60, then 27 divided by 60 is less than 28 divided by 60 is less than 36 divided by 60. And 18 divided by 60 is the equivalent fraction of 3 divided by 10. So write down 3 divided by 10. And equivalent fraction of 27 divided by 60 is 9 divided by 20. So write down 9 divided by 20. And equivalent fraction of 28 divided by 60 is 7 divided by 15. So write down 7 divided by 15. And equivalent fraction of 36 divided by 60 is 3 divided by 5. So write down 3 divided by 5. So ascending order or increasing order of the fractions are 3 divided by 10, 9 divided by 20, and 28 divided by 60, and 36 divided by 60. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.